Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be going over a more difficult question from the official College Board Study Guide. This is Practice Test 2, Math Non-Calculator, number 15. So this is considered the hardest problem on the test, 15 and 20 on the non-calculator part. This is where it's going to switch over to the free response question. Now, it doesn't have to be hard, but it means that you might have to think more. Now, it says the expression 5x minus 2 x plus 3 over x plus 3 is equivalent to which of the following? So it's asking you to understand that we can write expressions and equations in different ways and they still represent the same thing. Equivalent means is the same as. Is the same as. All right, now they are testing you on whether or not you know some of the common errors that students make with fractions. So in looking at this, I chose to look at the answers for help. And I noticed that 5 minus 2 over 3 was basically saying that you could cancel these x's, which you can't. That is a common error. You have to remember that 5x minus 2 the whole thing belongs to x plus 3. Think of this as a grouping symbol. You'd have to do everything on the top and everything on the bottom separately before you simplify it. So you can't do that. So both A and B I threw out immediately. So when I looked at C and D, I tried to remember where I ever saw those expressions as answers to equations. And the only time I saw answers like this was when I did polynomial long division. And then I looked up and said, wow, this is division. That fraction bar is another way to write division. So I decided to try and do polynomial long division. So that gave me an expression, x plus 3 divided into 5x minus 2. All right, now polynomial long division, you look at the first terms and you say, x goes into 5x how many times? Well, it goes in 5 times because 5 times x would give me 5x. And we line it up with the constant term. All right, then we multiply 5 to x plus 3, so we would get 5x plus 15. Now, because it's division, we now subtract that from 5x minus 2. So this is going to become minus. When I add down, I get negative 17. And that is my remainder. My remainder gets put as an add-on to the answer over the original divisor. So my answer would be D. It's not a hard problem, but it's a concept that you'd have to go back to and think about. So again, look at these answers and think, where have I seen those before? That could be a way or a trick or a helper for you to figure out how you're going to approach the problem. All right, have a great day, guys.